Who's your fucking mechanic, dude? They don't replace. No.
Oh shit. This is a lesson, buddy.
That's crazy.
So now with a brand new crush washer, I'm gonna take out the old oil filter and put in a new one.
Do you even need an oil filter? And we're gonna spill a little bit of
You just
oil.
gotta tip sideways. That's always the way.
Oh, that was so bad.
Dude, I thought you were gonna just.
So now with fresh oil
too.
in
That's-
and on the engine, let's start it up and see how it sounds. So it's sounding a lot better, but unfortunately I didn't get a video of me fixing this issue except for this.
Whoa.
The baffle is shredded. Holy fuck.
But essentially the oil baffle that is underneath the valve cover got bent, and it was actually making contact with one of the camshafts. So while the engine was spinning, it would be whacking this piece of metal. And so when we had the valve cover